Have you ever dreamed of studying in a top American university? It's a dream that can become a reality, especially with the number of scholarship programs available for international students. Imagine being part of a diverse community of scholars, engaging in groundbreaking research, and receiving a world-class education in one of the most dynamic and innovative countries in the world. These prestigious institutions offer not only excellent academic programs, but also a chance to immerse yourself in a rich cultural experience. So, if your dream is to study in a prestigious American university, this video is for you. Many top American universities offer scholarships to international students. Scholarships not only lighten the financial burden, but also open doors to numerous opportunities. They provide an avenue for students to focus on their studies without the constant worry of tuition fees and living expenses. Universities such as Harvard, Stanford, and Yale are among the top American institutions that offer scholarships for international students. Now let's take a brief look at the Rhodes Scholarship, a prime example of a prestigious scholarship program. Established in the early 20th century, this scholarship provides high-performing students the chance to attend the University of Oxford, covering tuition, housing, and living expenses. But it's more than just a financial aid. It's a comprehensive leadership and service program that connects students to a prestigious alumni network. Earning a scholarship, especially from a renowned program like the Rhodes Scholarship, can be a game changer for your academic journey. It's not just about the financial relief, it's about the doors it opens and the networks it introduces you to. So, if you're an international student eyeing an American university, exploring scholarship opportunities could be your first step towards a promising academic future. The application process may seem daunting, but it's all about organization and preparation. Let's break it down into manageable steps. First up, researching. This is where you put your detective hat on. Explore the universities and their programs, paying close attention to those that offer scholarships for international students. Look at the courses, the faculty, the campus life, and most importantly, the scholarship details. Next, you'll be gathering your documents. This typically includes your academic transcripts, letters of recommendation, and proof of language proficiency, among others. You may also be asked to submit a personal statement or essay, so start drafting early. Remember, this is your chance to shine, to show the selection committee who you are beyond your grades. The third step is completing the application forms. Read the instructions carefully and fill out every section. Don't rush through this. Accuracy is key. Also, if an optional section can enhance your application, don't skip it. Every detail can make a difference. Now you're ready to submit your applications. Double, no, triple check everything. Ensure you're meeting every requirement and hitting every deadline. Late or incomplete applications rarely make a good impression. Finally, after sending off your applications, there's the waiting game. This period may be filled with anticipation, but use this time to prepare for potential interviews or to research more about your chosen universities. Remember, a well-prepared application is your ticket to success. Once you've been accepted and secured your scholarship, it's time to navigate the visa process. This process is an essential part of your journey to studying in the United States. Firstly, upon receiving your acceptance letter from the university, you'll be issued an I-20 or DS 2019 form by your institution. This document is proof of your admission and your eligibility for a student visa. Next, armed with this document, you'll need to apply for the student visa, usually an F1, J1, or M1 visa, depending on your course of study. This process involves filling out the DS 160 form online, paying the visa application fee, and scheduling your visa interview. The visa interview is a crucial part of the process. Here, a consular officer will evaluate whether you meet the requirements to receive a visa. Remember to bring all necessary documentation, including your acceptance letter, passport, visa application payment receipt, and your student visa application form. While this is a general guide, the process may vary slightly depending on your country of origin. Be sure to check the specific requirements for your country on the U.S. Embassy or consulate website. Securing your visa is the final step in your journey to studying in the U.S. So, are you ready to take the leap and apply for a scholarship to study in a top American university? We've covered some ground today, from the incredible opportunities that scholarships provide to the rigorous but rewarding application process. We've looked at some of the top American universities offering scholarships for international students, and delved into the requirements needed to apply. We've also walked through the step-by-step application process, highlighting the importance of academic performance, community involvement, and meeting deadlines. And let's not forget the visa process, which is crucial for international students to legally study in the US. It may seem daunting, but remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.